Hello everybody, it is Steve with SBL Games. Thanks for tuning in. On today's episode, we're doing a business-to-business PS5 HDMI port replacement. Alright, I hope I can make this angle work. Oh, we need to crank up the heat. We gotta clear these post holes, and then we could assess the pins. See if any jumpers are gonna be needed. Hopefully not, but we will find out. There we go. Luckily, no torn pads. I will take it. Take my SATA. Come on. These ones, there we go. All right. Final outcome on the posts. That's the final outcome on the pins. Still got blue lights, and oh, we're getting fuzzies. Flux. Well, it was a combination of flux residue and my HDMI cable going out. But we are back in action. Thanks for tuning in. If you have a business and you want to be able to offer HDMI port replacement and other services that you do not, reach out to us at sblgamesinc@gmail.com. You could also call or text 909-269-4488. Steve with SBL Games signing out. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and consider subscribing.